Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to register for income tax in Ireland. This is useful if you're earning money on this side, like selling online, and you need to register with Revenue. Start by logging into My Account with your PPS number, date of birth, and password. You get a security code sent to your phone. Enter that to continue. Next, confirm your bank details. Then scroll down to Manage My Record and select Tax Registration. So the only option here is income tax. You can't register for VAT yet. VAT and other taxes come later through ROS. Now click register for income tax. Set your business start date. So I'm choosing the first day of last year. Choose your business activity like selling on eBay. If asked for an alternative business name, enter one if you have it. Then pick a NACE or NACE code. For online selling, choose the mail order non-store retail option. The code I'm selecting is 4791. Save and continue. Enter your expected turnover. I'm putting 50,000 euros. Then fill in your address. Select your county. I'm in Mayo. And add your contact details. If it asks for a landline and you don't have one, use your mobile number. Confirm everything and submit. You should see a message saying you're successfully registered for income tax. It will also say you're a mandatory filler and you'll need to register for ROS to file and pay income tax. Wait about 3 working days for the system to update before registering for ROS. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, please like, subscribe for more videos like this, and leave any questions in the comment below.